not a real cook, you know what I'm saying? I just started cooking in order to save money. Of course, it's a pandemic outside, and so yeah, we're just trying to eat right, do right, you know? It is 6:42. So yeah, we're getting into it. I'm cooking some chicken, green beans, and some yellow rice. So we're gonna see how this turns out. Alright, now let's get into the video. Chicken is currently cooking. That's the time, so now it's time to throw. I was supposed to do that other side first, but I'm not a cook for real. I don't even like grease because it pops me and it scares me. And this is our first piece of finished chicken. You know, crispy, bon appetit. And yeah, so yeah. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below if you want to see more videos. And comment if you think my chicken is gonna be crispy. Because people cook chicken, but a lot of people don't cook crispy chicken. So we're trying to make sure this chicken gonna be crispy. Right? So yeah, so while we're letting this chicken cook, I don't really know what to talk about. Comment down below if y'all like chicken. Honestly, I can eat chicken every day of the week. I really don't need beef or pork or anything else really. Anyway, we can't see you shaking your head.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm cooking my chicken on each side for about 5 minutes. And my rice is currently boiling on the back. And then, once the rice is done, we're going to start on the green beans. Shit popping. Alright, so now let's check on our chicken. And it should be about last piece of chicken. Then we're gonna start on our green beans. Our chicken is frying up real nicely. It's getting crispy. Comment down below what y'all use to make y'all chicken crispy. Because I know a lot of people use different things. So if you got some tips, comment down below. And like I said, after this piece of chicken finished frying, then we're going to cook our green beans. And these are the green beans we're going to be cooking today. French style. FYI, I'm not a real cook. You know what I'm saying? I just started cooking in order to save money. Of course, it's a pandemic outside. And so yeah, we're just trying to eat right, do right, you know? We can do better than most of these restaurants anyway, because their food been trash everywhere lately. Alright, our rice is coming up in about like 2 more minutes. And then a second, we're gonna start on our green beans and then we'll be done. If you got this far in the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. And make sure you turn on your post notifications. About to start on our green beans. About to saute them up real quick. And yeah, I'm about to add a little bit of butter for a little bit of flavor. turning our rice down because it should be about done. We don't have a can opener, so I'm using a knife to open my can. Alright. Now we're adding our green beans. Our last piece of chicken should be done now. Right on time. Alright, so now we'll just need to focus on our green beans and our rice. Should be done. Turn this up. Take this off. Put it back here. We added pepper for a little spice. If you taste your rice and your rice is soft, that's how you know it's done. Alright guys, so our green beans are about done for about 30 seconds. And that's it. We're done. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe down below. And yeah, so until next time. Alright, and this is the final product, guys. Like, comment, subscribe down below if you think I did a good job. And we're out.